We are on Quinn's Road, and this is the surviving embankment and abutment on the Harcourt Street line. It's quite close to where Shanganagh Junction was, but what's interesting about this was this structure was built in 1854, but due to coastal erosion, the original coastal line that linked up with the Harcourt Street line, so the two tracks would have linked up with the as a junction until 1877, and three tracks would have ran along the coast right down to Bray up to 1915. Then they put in place the track bed went down to the current, where the current location of Shanganagh Junction is. So that junction in effect was only in use for less than 50 years, 45, 46 years, and just the track bed is heavily overgrown. I was up there in 09. My aching limbs won't take me up there anymore, so you just have to make do with this. Let me see. We can. It's quite a busy road, so you can see the trees have taken over, and nature just takes it back, as I said before. So the line would have gone at an angle. The original line 1877, that side, and then 1950 on this side. So these houses were built in 1962, I think, 63. So they kind of top and tail the line. But actually, some of these bricks look like they were put in place in 1915. They would have last seen a train, the lifting train, September 1960, and fortunately I don't have any photographs of the actual bridge, or let alone a train going over the bridge. So it's Aladdin's. It's one thing I'd love to get hold of is a picture of that structure. Okay, that's just. So the embankment right down to where it was at Dublin Road Bridge is heavily overgrown. Some of the gardens have been extended onto it, and I think for certain it's never going to see any trains again, or even the loos again.